Morning everybody. Today I, Karunesh is here to present you my individual project for web and mobile design for Fintech. In this, I have made a wireframe for a financial technology app which is also called Amphi. I've chosen this name Amphi just because it means both. In this, people with like minds for finance and like-minded for finance tech topics can collaborate with each other on a particular forum where they can follow different threads and different discussions related to investments, tradings, crypto, stock, you name it, anything related to fintech, and it's there. Along with that, there's one more feature wherein there are special groups called rooms wherein you can talk to each other. There is a limit of 10,000 people per room. So this way, you can connect with people borderlessly and improve your knowledge. This is how our first screen, the splash screen, looks like. The first page shows you sign up and login. If you click on sign up, I'm hoping you are signing up for the first time. So if you see here on the top left, this is a design metaphor that I've used. Instead of going to back, I have used these three arrows stating that this can take you to the first screen. So basically metaphors are nothing but elements that organize design thinking. So now the user already knows that it has to go back if you press this. Here you enter your number and then press the button next. You'll be sent with a code which is an OTP, and then you can answer it, you can enter it, and then get signed in. The next page that you see would be a series of you can select a series of rooms and topics of your choice. I mean, you can either select mutual funds, investing. Like if you're not in trading, you will go into investing, and all the rooms and all the forums will be dedicated to investing and not trading. You can always change back and explore more, but this is the unique thing, which is personalization. Moving on to the next screen, which is the dashboard. On top left, you can see our Amphi logo. On the right, you can see three design metaphors. Which one? This is the one which shows invites. You can invite people to different rooms, to your room, to those who are joining. And the next one is notification. You can turn on your notifications and get all the information about the rooms that you are in or the topics, what's happening in the topic. Then we move on to the right hand side. This is the one which is for the DMs or the direct messages. If someone from the group or the room that you joined in was intrigued by what you talked about, they can connect with you more on direct messages. This is only if you allow them to. Live around Amphi. So when you look at the dashboard, these are the rooms where they are talking to each other. Like it's legit feels like you're in a group discussion, and as you can see here in the first one, there are 2.7k people who are part of this, and then 12 of them are the speakers. In 879, in this one, 879 are the participants and 19 are the people who are speakers. So as you can see, it's morning crypto talk, stocks over breakfast, investment chats. These are nothing but different rooms made by financial enthusiastic people who want to connect and grow together. As you see, like in the bottom, you see a button called room. Mostly you will see it on every on the dashboard page, but then you can add your room in it. Like you can create a room, you can be the host of it, you can set somebody a co-host, you can set the timing and all. And as we go down, if you look down, we have 4 design metaphors. This is the explore one. I mean, even if you follow 4 topics, but then you want to know what's going around the world, so this is the thing that you want to contact. Then we have, on the right side, we have the search bar. In search bar, you can like investing or like crypto. But in crypto, I want to know more about Solana or Ethereum, let's say. So I would go to the search and follow Ethereum as a topic, not just crypto. Because crypto has a lot of options. Moving on to the next one, this is a scheduler. If you click this, you can get to know if you have any appointments or any events coming soon. Also, you can create an event of your own. To be it an offline event, you can add an address. To be an online event, you can add the link. On the right side, you see this is my profile picture, and this is where you click and see your homepage and your profile. Now, if you see the design metaphor here, this is a scroll, or you can also say it's a gesture layout. If I scroll down here, I go to the forum, which are mutual funds, stocks, crypto, trading, investments. So these are the topics wherein threads are going on, and like you can also create a thread, and it's more of a texting discussion. Like everybody is just pouring in their thoughts related to the topic. Of course, I mean, that's how the forums work, and that's how things work. Moving on, if you click to the scheduler calendar design metaphor, it says for you upcoming for you. So it shows all the upcoming rooms that are coming with, or upcoming events. So this is an online event. So it's Ethereum 2.0 live discussion. It's due on September 19, 2022 at 9 a.m. I hope you guys are ready for it. And then you see a schedule plus metaphor. So here in this, by clicking this icon, you can create a new event of your own, which means you can give it an event name. You can create with like this is the host name. You can add co-host. You can have up to 3 co-hosts, and then you can put the date and time, address if offline, description if online. And online thing would have a online meeting link, and then all you do is publish. So as you see, the layout very simple. We have used metaphors all around. We have used bios and pictures just to make it catchy, all in one place to make the layout look beautiful. Moving on to the bio page. Now, how would you get there? If you just click on this icon, it will take you to your bio. This is me, Karunesh Makkar. This is my username. All about me, the followers and following I have. I can add a bio. I haven't added yet, so that people could know you. And if they see you in a room, they can contact you here. This is my Twitter and Instagram handles. My favorite topics are here. These are a few of them. Plus, there's a plus sign here, wherein you can click and then like add more of them. So moving on to the navigation diagram. This is the navigation diagram that I made, but hence it was a bit cluttered, and according to our layout concepts, I decided to keep it a bit simple and minimalistic. So this is what a minimalistic and clear navigation diagram looks like. First, we open with a splash screen wherein the Amphi logo pops up. Then we move on to the login page or the sign up page, do as per the preference or whichever situation you are in. Then after you sign up or log in, you can go to the select preferred topics. You can personalize your feed basically. And then you have a personalized dashboard screen wherein if you scroll down, you get forums. And if you click on the schedule or calendar button or the metaphor in the bottom, you can find view upcoming events. If you click on the event, you can sign up for an event. This you can do by searching or by explore or anything that you see in a topic or the room that you follow. Plus, if you want to post an event and do it of your own, organize an event of your own or room of your own, you can click this when you'll be on the upcoming events page or events page, and you can just add the details and you're good to go. Then if you go to the profile page, you'll click on the bio or the picture of your of the bio that you have. Talking about the design metaphors that I've used. So design metaphors are nothing but elements that organize thinking. So this is for going to the previous page. This is used to indicate search in different rooms. and this is used for notifications. And this is the one. This is the one for direct messages. And this shows schedule page can create once in the page. So you can click here and you can create more rooms once you are on the schedule page. Moving on to the next, which is layout concepts. I have taken care of the 7 layout concepts, which is emphasis. I've like um, made sure that the buttons are very like they are. If you see right here, the room thing. If you want to create a room, like it's very prominent in every page. Like if you see, it's all like if you want to create a room, it just says they go to room. So uh, coming back, it puts emphasis on certain things. Then there's balance and alignment. As you saw, my app and my UX UI wireframe is all aligned. The contrast is like not too bad. It's like light blue along with dark colors. Repetition. So there's a particular thing, like people might be wondering why is repetition a layout concept? But just because people want to be hooked up with your wireframe or the UI that you made, you have to have certain things that are repetitive so that they don't have to feel like they are lost. Proportion. Everything in my UI is as per proportion and white space. As you could see, it was not cluttered and it was all well laid out. Moving on to the navigation patterns. Navigation patterns help you to go from one one element to another, or one screen to another. Or yeah, so this is where you use for going back. This is to create new event. This button is for taking you to the next page, and this thing will help you scroll down. The next thing we are going to talk about is gesture patterns. So gesture pattern that I used in here was scroll down, which was in the dashboard going to forums, favorite topics. You can click on the favorite topics. Click to view room contents like co-host, members. So as you saw, the dashboard had a small amount of information, but if you click on the room, view room, you can like it will like magnify and like make you see a lot of details. And then you have swipe left to delete. If you followed a topic and if you followed a room or if you followed a forum and you didn't find that uh, very helping for you and it's just cluttering your feed, you can just swipe left and delete it. So thank you guys. That's it from my side. If you have any comments or feedback, please mail me at kmakkar@myseneca.ca. I would be glad to hear them. Thank you so much.